This is the study guide for section 6.3. It's on angle bisectors of triangles. It tells you what an angle bisector is. When an angle of a triangle gets bisected, two angles have the same measure from one of the angles from the triangle. So in this diagram, triangle ACE, these three segments, segment CF, segment EB, segment AD, are angle bisectors. So here's what that means. Angle 1 and angle 2 are the same. Angle 3 and angle 4 are the same. But notice how I'm using two arcs on these. These match, so they're the same, but these don't match. They don't have to be the same. Likewise, 5 and 6, they're going to be the same, but they don't have to be the same as the other ones. They're just the same as each other. So let's just fill in the blanks. I'll try to enlarge this a little bit. The measure of angle 3 is going to be the same thing as measure of angle 4. The measure of angle 2 is going to be the same thing as the measure of angle 1. Something bisects angle CAE. Angle CAE is this angle. What bisects this angle? It's this segment, AD. Something bisects angle ACE. Angle ACE is that big top angle. Segment CF bisects it. In number 5, we're going to compare the measure of angle 6, that's this little guy, with something times the measure of angle CEA. What could you do to angle CEA to get the measure of angle 6? Well, you could take half of it, you multiply it by 1/2, you would get the measure of that little angle. And number 6, the measure of angle ACE, that's going to be equal to something times the measure of angle 3. So if you knew angle 3, what could you do to get the big angle? You would multiply by 2. Number 7, we're going to draw and label a figure to illustrate this situation. Segment HS is an angle bisector of triangle GHI. So I'm just going to draw a triangle and I'm going to put my vertices G, H, and I in any spot that I want. Segment HS is an angle bisector. So there's segment HS. I need to make sure it's an angle bisector, so I make sure those are the same. Is point S between G and I? Points G and I. And they are.